To remove the 3.5-inch hard drive, first remove the access panel. Detach the power and data cables from the hard drive. Each connector has a latch that must be squeezed to release the connector. Remove the 4 Torx head screws that secure the hard drive in the PC. Slide the hard drive into the center of the unit and remove the hard drive from the PC. To replace the 3.5-inch hard drive, slide the hard drive into its bay until the screws on the bottom of the drive align with the screw holes stenciled with the letter A. Secure the hard drive to the PC with 4 Torx head screws. Replace the power and data connectors to the hard drive.